Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by picking the cells that will hold progress numbers, because formatting depends on the underlying values. Once done, convert raw numbers to percent or use a helper column with equals A2/100 so conditional rules behave predictably. Make sure to set cell format to percentage or number with 0 decimals. This prevents display mismatches. While you prepare, name the range if you like. It makes targeting rules simpler and reduces errors when applying conditional formatting later. You now build the rules that change color based on value, which is the heart of the progress bar. Open Format, then Conditional Formatting for your target range. Choose Color Scale for smooth transitions or Custom Formula to set discrete thresholds. If you want exact colors at quarters, add multiple rules with formulas like equals A2 greater or equals 0. 75 for green equals A2 greater or equals 0. 5 for amber and equals A2 0. 5 for red. Once applied, adjust exact hex or preset color. You finish by adding a visual bar or tweaking rule priority so color changes reliably across the sheet. For a visible bar, use an adjacent formula like rept, round A2*10, and hide helper columns if needed. Make sure conditional rules target the correct absolute or named range, and that rule order doesn't override earlier rules. If colors fail to appear, check cell format is percent or number, clear conflicting formats, and reapply rules. That single check solves most issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.